Hey guys, welcome back to Beat Beauty. In today's video, I'm really excited to share with you a really simple makeup tutorial using Nudestix and specifically the Daydreamer palette with Hilary Duff. So if you're not familiar with Nudestix, it's an absolutely amazing brand. Even if you're relatively new to makeup and you have a really simple makeup regime, the Nudestix brand is designed to make makeup application super simple, and it's got a great story behind it. It's actually a family-run business. It's a mother and her two daughters, and the idea behind the brand was basically just to simplify your makeup regime. So everything pretty much is in a stick format. I've already talked on my channel about their amazing eyeshadows. I'm obsessed, and also their lip colors. But this kit is absolutely amazing. It's given me an opportunity to try other products like their blush, which has this amazing little brush applicator, which I love. And I've also been testing out their gorgeous new tinted cover foundation, which is a great little lightweight sort of tinted moisturizer. So there's loads of new Nudestix products out there, and I just love that it just allows people to experiment with different colors that they might not normally in just a really easy format. You can't really go wrong. And this kit also allows you to create loads of different looks with the one kit. So I really hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. As I said, it's super simple. Anyone could do it. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. I am going to start off with just tying back my hair, get it out the way so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to start with a base. And I've been really impressed with the newest base by Nudestix. It's the Tinted Cover Foundation. Comes in one of their gorgeous little tins with a little mirror in the lid, which I absolutely love. Makes life way easier. So it's just a little tinted moisturizer, and it's pretty inexpensive. It has some lovely ingredients in it. For example, it has lavender oil, so it has a really nice relaxing scent when you're applying it. And lavender oil is also very anti-inflammatory as well, so it's got really great skin benefits. And this one comes in 15 different shades. I am a nude 3, but you want to experiment and find whichever shade is right for you. And this just gives a really nice lightweight coverage. You can build it a little bit if you want a bit more of a coverage on your skin. So I'm just going to apply it all over the face just to start off the makeup look. So I like to start in the center of the face and just move out, mainly because it's the center of the face that I have most that I want to cover, so I have a lot of redness. So I'm just going to use my fingers. The Nudestix products are designed to be really easy to apply. You shouldn't really need any applicators. You could use a foundation brush or a beauty blender if you like. It gives the skin a really nice glow. Hopefully you can see that already. So as you can see, just really nice sort of natural finish. It's just helped sort of even out any redness, any uneven skin tone, blurred my sort of imperfections a little bit, and given me a nice sort of glowy radiance as well. Okay, so that's the main sort of complexion finished. You can always add some cover up wherever you need it. I just want to keep this super simple because my main focus is going to be on the next stage, which is the eyes. And I'm going to be using the Daydreamer palette, which is a kit that was created with Hilary Duff. And I am just obsessed with this little kit. It's really great for creating loads of different looks. You've got so many products in here for the price. So I think this kit is $75, but the products are actually worth $180. And what you get in here is you get a gorgeous matte cheek color. You get a highlighter, so you get those two, and then you get 3 different Nudestix eye colors. and you get a gel lip and cheek color, as well as a cute little sharpener to keep everything sharp. So really, really great little kit, and it comes in this gorgeous bag as well. I'm such a sucker for a great new makeup bag. This will be my new one for sure. So I'm going to use this as the kind of like main inspiration for the look, and I'm going to create a really cool coloured eye look, because colour is really in this season. You've seen sort of amazingly bold pastel eye colours on the catwalk, down to sort of softer, more subtle coloured eyes. So I want to do quite a soft, subtle look today. But something that is really different, I think, because it's got some really interesting colours. So I'm going to start off with the eyes, and I'm going to be using this Magnetic Luminous Eye Colour in Bright Eyes. So this one's a really nice, subtle highlighter colour, so it's going to be really good just to give a nice wash over the lids, just to start the look off. And I'll just apply it with the stick, and then I'll just blend with my fingers. And I'm kind of just applying it just above the socket line. And actually, I think this is just really gorgeous on its own, especially for a day look. Just adds a little interest to the eyes. For this particular look, I'm going to add on to it, but I really, really like this one. You could always use a brush again, but what I love is the simplicity here, so I'm just using my fingers and the product itself. Next up, I'm going to grab my darker shade, which is a lovely kind of green shade. It's called Night Dweller. And it's really gorgeous, kind of metallic forest green. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to work it into the socket line, and then I'm going to just work it under the eye as well for a little extra drama. So I'll work it into the socket, and then I'm just going to blend it with my finger. Blend it down. And then I'm going to just line the eye, keep blending. Already love that. I'm going to blend it a little outwards for a sort of soft, subtle kind of cat eye look. This really is like a foolproof makeup line. Anyone could use it and create some really beautiful looks. And then just under the eye, right into the lash line. Absolutely love that. And then I'm going to do the other eye. You want to make sure that they're both nice and even as well. So just blend that so it's exactly the same. Love that already. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of this third eye color, which is called Prism. Now this one is a really gorgeous kind of violet-y shade of highlighter. So it's got really lovely sort of little metallic pearlescent kind of pigment. So it's just going to really make the eyes pop. So I'm just going to apply this right in the center of the look, just to draw the eyes. You've already got some lovely metallic shades in there, but this one's just going to sort of really up the ante. This would be a really great look as well for like festivals, I think. And then I'm going to put a little bit into the sort of brow bone as well. Love that. Now I'm just going to clean up a bit under the eyes with some of the Cover foundation. So I just blend that in with my fingers. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now I am ready for a little bit of mascara, and I'm going to be using the Nudestix Lash Lengthening Mascara. This one doesn't actually come in the Daydreamer kit, but I really, really recommend it. It's only $13 and it's a really good mascara. I'm super picky when it comes to mascaras, but this one has a great little applicator, it's like an old school spoolie brush, which I very much approve of. And then it's got biotin in it, which is going to help with sort of strengthening and lengthening the lashes. And it sort of doesn't clump the lashes. It's also designed to be long wearing as well, which is always good. So I'm just going to apply a few coats of this just to finish off the eye look. And I want to really accentuate the outer lashes just because we've created that sort of cat eye shape. And I'm going to put a little bit on the bottom as well. Love that. I think that's just already added some really nice drama to the eyes. So that's the eyes pretty much done, but I am going to add in with just a little bit of the highlighter. So this is the Half Moon Nudies Glow. And this one kind of really complements the eye look because it's got this kind of like violet glow to it, which I absolutely love. And so on one end you've got the highlighter itself, and on the other end you've got a lovely little sort of stubby brush that you can help blend with. So you're going to get the highlighter and just apply it anywhere that you want the light to catch your skin. So I would recommend the cheekbones, the brow bone, maybe the tip of the nose if you like that, or the cupid's bow, and then the inner corners of the eyes. So I'll start with the cheekbones. So there's quite a sort of serious highlight there, but you're going to just blend it with the brush. And then I'm just going to use my fingers just to get into the inner corners. But yeah, it's so handy having this little brush. I absolutely love it. The same with the blush. So I think you can immediately see that I've got a nice sort of glow to the skin now. Now I'm going to add the blush, and so this is the Body Language Matte Nudies Blush. And so again, you've got the blush itself. This can also be used on the eyes and the lips as well. Really nice universal color. It kind of reminds me of one of my all-time favorite products, which is the NARS Orgasm Blush, just because it's so universal and can be used in so many different ways. But what I really love about this, which is actually different to the NARS one, is you've got the brush. So I'm going to start by just applying that onto the cheeks, just to give myself a nice little glow and just complement that eye look. So start with just a little bit and blend it in and work up to however much blush you feel like you need. And I'm just going to blend it up. Great, okay, that's that done. Super easy. And now, last but not least, I'm just gonna add a lip. And so the lip comes with the Daydreamer kit, and your little kit with all the eyeshadows. This is a gel lip and cheek balm. Really hydrating, absolutely gorgeous product. This one's called Secret Keeper. And it's just a lovely neutral pink shade that's just gonna really offset that gorgeous sort of dark coloured eye. So you don't want to go too heavy on the lips, I think, with this one. I'm just going to use this really lovely subtle pink shade that's designed to complement it. And you can use it to kind of line the lips and then fill them in. That's the great thing about this stick format. So that's about it. That is my Nudestix tutorial for a really beautiful coloured eye. I hope that you've enjoyed watching, and if you want to find out more about any of the Nudestix products, be sure and check out all the information below. If you have any questions at all, please get in touch. Either leave me a comment or drop me an email at beatbeauty@gmail.com. So I absolutely love to hear from you. And be sure to stay tuned to Beat Beauty for loads more videos coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.